What's up, everybody? Every time you want to trade and invest in cryptocurrencies, there are basically 4 steps to kickstart your crypto trading process every single day. And it's one of the most consistently profitable crypto trading frameworks. I call the 4 steps to minimize losses, maximize profits, and grow your money fast in every cryptocurrency exchange. For example, just a couple of hours ago, the price action of the NSUSDT cryptocurrency squeezed up by 478.43% in one day. And the best part, you would have made over 450% profits if you were to trade this cryptocurrency on this bullish trend section. The question is, can you imagine making 450% profits in just one day? Isn't that awesome? And do you realize how much opportunity is waiting for you right now? With that, in this live crypto trading video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and trade the best performing cryptocurrency that can potentially make you more money today. Keep watching. Hey, I'm Andrew Oko, and I've been trading and investing in cryptocurrencies for literally 10 years now. With that, the first step to kickstart your crypto trading process is to identify where the price action of most cryptocurrencies will be heading to. And one of the best tools you can absolutely use to be 70% sure of where the price action of most cryptocurrencies will be heading to is the candlestick price chart data of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency. For example, right now, as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the latest 4 hours candlestick of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency is convincingly trading in a green candlestick. And that means you should go hunting for long trading opportunities in every cryptocurrency exchange. And now that we've identified where the price action of most cryptocurrencies will be heading to, the second step to kickstart your crypto trading process is to find the most current bullish trend section of the cryptocurrencies. Make no mistakes, the candlestick price chart data of every cryptocurrency is divided into bullish trend sections and bearish trend section. And that's absolutely all that you'd ever need to perform proper technical analysis of every cryptocurrency. And the price action of every cryptocurrency you want to trade must form a green candlestick at the 13th% of the most current bullish trend section before you can take any live trade actions, and more on that later. And all you've got to do is to find and trade the best performing cryptocurrencies that are currently trading below the 15th% of the most current bullish trend section. For example, right now, the best performing cryptocurrency on the BYbit exchange is the NSUSDT cryptocurrency futures contract. And to properly analyze the candlestick price chart data of this cryptocurrency, head over to the tradingview.com chart page, search for the crypto ticker symbol NS. And let's jump right in to identify the most current bullish trend section of the NSUSDT cryptocurrency futures contract. So as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the most current bullish trend section of the NSUSDT cryptocurrency futures contract started from the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter. And from the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter, the price action of this cryptocurrency squeezed up by 482.63% and then dipped down to 153.52%. And right now, the NS market price is currently trading at the 140.35% of the most current bullish trend section. And the best part, you would have made over 450% profits if you were to trade this cryptocurrency on this bullish trend section. But as you can see, the price action of this cryptocurrency is currently trading above the 15th% of the most current bullish trend section. And that disqualified this cryptocurrency as a potential trade target for now. So let's go back to the list of the best performing cryptocurrencies to continue our crypto trading research. The next cryptocurrency on the list is the FB-USDT Cryptocurrency Futures contract. And to properly analyze the candlestick pattern data of this cryptocurrency, head over to the tradingview.com chart page and search for the crypto ticker symbol FB. And let's jump right in to identify the most current bullish trend section of the FB-USDT Cryptocurrency Futures contract. So as you can see on the candlestick pattern data, the most current bullish trend section of the FB-USDT Cryptocurrency Futures contract started from the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter. And from the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter, the price action of this cryptocurrency squeezed up by 29% and then dipped down to 0.74%. And right now, the FB market price is currently trading at the 10.37% of the most current bullish trend section. And as you can see, the price action of this cryptocurrency is currently trading below the 15% of the most current bullish trend section. And that makes this cryptocurrency your potential trade target for now. And now that we've found the right cryptocurrency to trade, it's time to identify the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter. So zoom in on the candlestick pattern data a couple of times in order to get the exact price of the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter. And as you can see, the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter is exactly at 1.115. And then use the yellow horizontal ray tool to indicate the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter, which is 1.115. And now that we've found the right cryptocurrency to trade, the third step to kickstart your crypto trading process is to create your trading plan on the candlestick pattern data of the cryptocurrencies. Make no mistakes trying to guess your trade entry, stop loss, and take profit prices when the price action of most cryptocurrencies are getting highly volatile is a major reasons for massive losses. And that's exactly why you have to outrightly create your trade entry, stop loss, and take profit prices on the candlestick pattern data of the cryptocurrencies before you trade them. For example, if you want to trade the FB-USDT cryptocurrency futures contracts, like I'm getting ready to trade it right now, your stop loss price will be at the 14th% of the most current bullish trend section. And then use the red horizontal ray tool to indicate your stop loss price, which is 1.271. And your entry price will be at the 15th% of the most current bullish trend section. And then use the blue horizontal ray tool to indicate your entry price, which is 1.283. And your safety price will be at the 19th% of the most current bullish trend section. And then use the pink horizontal ray tool to indicate your safety price, which is 1.328. And finally, your take profit price will be at the 25th% of the most current bullish trend section. And then use the white horizontal ray tool to indicate your take profit price, which is 1.395. So as you can see on the candlestick pattern data, this is exactly how to create your trading plan on the candlestick pattern data of the cryptocurrencies before you trade them. And as you can see, your entry price is at the 14th% of the most current bullish trend section, which is 1.271. And your entry price is at the 15th% of the most current bullish trend section, which is 1.283. And your safety price is at the 19th% of the most current bullish trend section, which is 1.328. And finally, your take profit price is at the 25th% of the most current bullish trend section, which is 1.395. Note, you have to sell 50% of your cryptocurrency portfolio at the safety price because the mission of every candlestick that is trading below the 15% of the most current bullish transaction is to rise to the safety price. And the task of every cryptocurrency trader is to relocate your stop loss from the 14% stop loss price to the 15% entry price whenever the price action of a candlestick rises to the safety price. But if the price action of a candlestick rises above the 15% entry price and then fails to reach the safety price until a new candlestick is formed, you must close your entire crypto trading position at the entry price. If the price action of the new candlestick that is formed begins to pull back to the entry price, just like it happened right here. That way, you will be able to eliminate unnecessary losses in every cryptocurrency exchange. And now that we've created your trading plan on the candlestick price chart data of this cryptocurrency, the fourth step to kickstart your crypto trading process every single day is to choose the best entry conditions before you click the buy button. Make no mistakes. Entry conditions can save you a boatload of massive losses. And that's exactly why there are basically two entry conditions to be considered before you click the buy button. So the first entry condition states that the price action of every cryptocurrency you want to trade must form a green candlestick at the 13th% of the most current bullish trend section, which is exactly at 1.260. But as you can see, the price action of this cryptocurrency has literally not formed a green candlestick at the 13th% of the most current bullish trend section. So all you've got to do is to wait for the price action of this cryptocurrency to form a green candlestick at the 13th% of the most current bullish trend section. And if it fails to form a green candlestick at the 1.260 price level, you will not open any long trade position. And that's the first entry condition. With that, let's check out the second entry condition right now. The second entry condition for long trading opportunity states that the latest 4 hours candlestick of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency must be convincingly trading in a green candlestick. So you have to grab the psychology of a good cryptocurrency trader by patiently monitoring how the latest 4 hours candlestick of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency is performing. And if the latest 4 hours candlestick of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency is convincingly traded in a green candlestick, that means you should go open a long trade position via the conditional order form of every cryptocurrency exchange. For example, as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the latest 4 hours candlestick of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency is convincingly trading in a red candlestick, and that means you cannot open a long trade position until the latest 4 hours candlestick of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency is convincingly trading in a green candlestick. So the first entry condition has absolutely proved that we cannot open a long trade position for this particular cryptocurrency. And then the second entry condition also proved that we cannot open a long trade position for this particular cryptocurrency. And so all you've got to do right now is to patiently wait for the price action of this cryptocurrency to form a green candlestick at the 13th% of the most current bullish trend section, which is at the 1.260 price level. And the last entry condition, which means that the latest 4 hours candlestick of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency must be convincingly trading in a green candlestick. But as you can see, the latest 4 hours candlestick of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency is convincingly trading in a red candlestick. And that means you have to wait for the latest 4 hours candlestick of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency to be convincingly traded in a green candlestick before you can open a long trade position for this particular cryptocurrency. With that, now I want to turn it over to you. Did you learn something from this live crypto trading video? Leave a comment below right now. And thank you for watching. I see you in the next video.